Bag? Shoes? Headphones? Toothpaste under 100 milliliters? Looks like you're ready to fly. Right? Wrong. In 2025, the TSA is confiscating more items than ever before, and they're not just going after the obvious stuff. We're talking protein powder, tech chargers, toys, herbal powders, even reusable water bottles. And the worst part? Most travelers have no idea these things are now on the watch list. Today we're unveiling 10 shocking things TSA will confiscate from you in 2025, including the one catching senior travelers off guard nearly every week. Stay with us, because secret number 7 could be stored in your bathroom cabinet right now. Number 1. Protein powder and pancake mix. It seems innocent, a bit of whey protein for your morning smoothie, correct? Not anymore. In 2025, any powder greater than 12 ounces, roughly the size of a soda can, can lead to additional screening. That includes protein powder, flour, pancake mix, baby formula, powdered drink packets. Why? Some powders can resemble explosives under existing scanner technology, and if it's unlabeled, good luck. Some passengers already have reported lengthy delays for transporting powdered greens or electrolyte mix. Pro tip: store powders under 12 ounce, 350 milliliter. Put them in a bin by themselves. Clearly label them and pre-portion only what you require. Number 2. Clever luggage with a hazardous flaw. You paid $400 for a fancy smart bag with GPS tracking, USB charging, and a remote lock. Tech savvy, huh? The issue is this: if the battery is not removable, TSA can take the entire bag even at check-in. Why? Lithium-ion batteries can get too hot in the cargo hold, posing a fire risk that crew members can't reach in midair. Even Away and Samsonite had to remake models to meet requirements. Pro tip: ensure your battery is tool-free removable. Put it in hand luggage and check your manufacturer's website before your flight. Some airlines now demand photo evidence. Number 3. Reusable water bottles with hidden compartments. Reusable bottles are clear, but in 2025, some are being flagged. Why? Some bottles contain concealed spaces for pills, powders, or supplements. To TSA, that's a red flag. Some manufacturers even include stash compartments buyers had no idea existed. Pro tip: use clear, single-compartment bottles and avoid detachable bases or opaque linings, and never fail to empty them prior to screening. Number 4. Stainless steel or other external laptop batteries, greater than 100 watt output. Even tech-savvy travelers get caught here. If your external battery is more than 100 watt-hours, you require airline approval. More than 160 watt-hours? It's completely prohibited. TSA won't do the math for you if the label is ambiguous. They'll confiscate it. Rapid math: volts times amp-hours equals watt-hours. More than 100 watt-hours requires pre-approval. And don't forget, spare batteries and power banks are carry-on only, never checked. Number 5. Toys that appear to be weapons. Plastic swords, toy guns, foam nunchucks, lightsabers, even superhero dolls with teeny tiny removable guns. In 2025, if it appears to be a weapon regardless of color, it gets flagged. Families have had flights delayed due to a toy pistol in a backpack. TSA's policy: if it might raise alarm or confusion, it doesn't fly. Number 6. Camping equipment and tent stakes. Packing for a hike? Think twice about some of the gear. Tent stakes are now potential weapons. Fuel canisters are outright prohibited. Even components on a stove can be seized. One traveler had a $300 ultralight stove confiscated over a tiny sharp-edged adapter. Pro tip: send your precious gear ahead. Purchase low-cost gear locally and never take fuel, flammable liquids, or pressurized gas on a plane. Number 7. Certain named medications. This one's basis affects senior travelers most. Certain medications are warned about because their active ingredients appear on controlled substance lists. These are sleep medications such as Zolpidem, Ambien, anti-anxiety pills, codeine-containing painkillers, even some prescription allergy capsules. These can be seized if they are unlabeled or held in a miscellaneous pill organizer, and you may be subject to additional screening or detention. Pro tip: store meds in original containers, bring a copy of your prescription and doctor's note, and report them prior to screening. Number 8. Batteries in grooming appliances. Electric razors, toothbrushes, clippers, okay in most instances. But older or foreign models can contain non-standard lithium batteries not approved by the TSA. If watt-hour rating is not clearly marked, agents will confiscate them. Pro tip: pack a backup and have these items in your carry-on. Number 9. Homemade snacks, wrapped in aluminum foil. Your sandwich isn't prohibited, but wrap it in aluminum foil and TSA machines can't detect it. That will result in a full bag search and might cause you to miss your flight. Pro tip: wrap homemade snacks in clear plastic wrap, Tupperware, or parchment paper. Number 10. Incense, herbal powders, and spiritual items. Burning sage, ritual powders, religious herbs. These are being flagged in 2025 if they're unlabeled, pungent, or appear suspicious. Travelers have lost uncommon sacred objects because TSA was not aware of them. Pro tip: pack them tightly, mark them clearly, put them in your carry-on, and report them in advance. Bonus: the unspoken ban on overstuffed bags. Your carry-on size chart compliant? Excellent. Yet if it's bulging and overstuffed, it may still be denied. Airlines and TSA are enforcing rules on bags that exceed bin capacities, particularly with hanging additions such as pillows, chargers, or blankets. Pro tip: unzip expansion panels, remove extras, and conduct a home fit test prior to flying. Don't pay last-minute gate fees that are often more than your flight. Closing. So which of these surprised you? Have you ever had TSA take something that seemed utterly normal? Share your story in the comments. I read them all, and I may include your own in a future video. If you benefited from this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Each week, we dissect the travel regulations before they derail your vacation. Until next time, travel wise, pack wiser, and keep that carry-on off the radar.